camera shy? You were just talking to Mommy. That's Eliza Day talking. And you? He's hypnotized by the camera. Wow! You're not gonna talk to Mommy. Wow! Hello, camera. Hello, camera. I was a smile. I saw a big smile. Yeah. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. Hi. 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 Hello. Don't be scared of the camera, baby. Hello. Look at Ian's little t-shirt. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? This is awfully boring. Nope. He's hypnotized, look. Okay, bye-bye, Ian.